industrial production growth rate has slowed down to 0.1% in April. This is due to contraction in capital goods and dip in manufacturing output. Growth in factory output, as measured by the Index of Industrial Production (IIP), was 5.3% in April last year. The manufacturing sector, which constitutes over 75% of the index, grew by 0.1%. The slowdown in industrial production is likely to put pressure on the Reserve Bank to cut lending rates at its mid-quarterly review on June 18.
The industrial production numbers are out, and the growth for the month of April is at 0.1%. That's fairly flat and just a shade better than the March figure of minus 3.5%.
Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee is calling it disappointing, and here are the reasons for the poor showing. There's a huge fall in mining and capital goods growth at minus 3.1 and minus 16.3% respectively. The manufacturing sector grew at a meager 0.1% versus minus 4.4 in March. CNBC, in fact, is where you can take a look at more details on how the markets are also reacting. We did hear from the Finance Minister, though, Pranab Mukherjee, on these figures.
First of all, I would like to give my response to the reaction to the IIP figure which has been released for the month of April. And when I was entering into, some of you wanted to have my response to it. I told them that I will give my response at the end of the meeting. It is disappointing because the IIP figure for April is just plus 0.1. Somebody may have some satisfaction that it was in the month of March minus 3.2. But that is no consolation. Frankly speaking, I am disappointed, and industry has not yet picked up. The negative sentiments for investment, which is continuing for some time, are still there. Therefore, we shall have to take some steps which can give the signal of positivism.
The downgrade possibility, as predicted by Standard & Poor, an international credit rating agency, is a serious matter, and really it's a wake-up call for India. भारत की ग्रोथ स्टोरी को क्या हो गया? इसको भी नकारेंगे वित्त मंत्री प्रणब मुखर्जी? और इसलिए हमने पहले से कहा है कि जो जिसके और इंगित किया है स्टैंडर्ड एंड पुअर ने कि ये पॉलिटिकल पैरालिसिस है, एक निर्णय की अक्षमता है, अनिर्णय की अवस्था है, इसके कारण ये हो रहा है.
They are using these organizations like Standard and Poor's, threatening, trying to tell the government, pressurizing the government, they will bring down India into the growth index rate. All right, why don't they bring down US on that? The Standard and Poor's threat, citing that threat, Manmohan Singh wants to go further disinvestment process of the Navratnas, and he wants to use the pension, which is a huge 38 lakh crore rupees, to put it in the Bombay stock market. And that thing politically, that will be not only blunder, and I think the day this is done, that will be the end of the Congress.
The Narendra Modi has just tweeted a short while back on the statements made by the finance minister. He has said UPA's a toxic combination of poor economic decisions, lack of reforms, political roadblock pushing India to the brink. S&P says division of roles between powerful Sonia and appointed PM has weakened policy making framework.